How to change screen lock time in Windows 11. Time is a precious resource, and so is the security of your computer. Windows 11 combines these two aspects seamlessly by allowing you to control when your computer locks the screen after inactivity. Whether you want to conserve power, enhance your privacy, or just customize your Windows experience, knowing how to change your screen lock time in Windows 11 is essential. In this step-by-step guide, I'll take you through the process of adjusting your computer's screen lock settings. This means you can say goodbye to the frustration of having to re-enter your password too frequently or the worry of leaving your system unattended for too long. To get started, click the Windows icon in your taskbar or hit that Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. In the Start menu, click the gear-shaped settings icon. This will open up the Windows settings. In the System section, go ahead and pick Power and Battery from the list of options. Under the Power section, click on Screen and Sleep. For On Battery Power Turn Off My Screen After, you can decide how long your screen stays on when your computer is running on battery. When Plugged In Turn Off My Screen After lets you decide on your screen's uptime when your computer is plugged into a power outlet. Just pick your perfect time from the drop-down menus. Or if you wish to keep your screen active indefinitely, select Never. Furthermore, if you wish to fine-tune your computer's sleep settings, you can manage the next two options just below the screen timeout settings. Congratulations! You've effectively configured the screen timeout settings in Windows 11. These adjustments offer you the flexibility to tailor your computer's power management to align with your personal preferences and requirements. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.